Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the GBPUSD, the Great British Pound US Dollar. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, okay? But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So, before we go ahead and break down what's happening on the chart from a technical analysis point, let's dive into the fundamental analysis first, starting with the Great British Pound. So, a lot of the news recently about the British Pound has been very mixed. We've been having just as much negative news and positive news coming out about the same time, which is a little different compared to how it was in the previous trading weeks when we've been having a lot more negative news and positive news come out about it. But what's happening with the United Kingdom is that it's suffering from ever growing inflation that is strangling its economy. And it also has to deal with the geopolitical woes affecting its economy that's related to the destabilization of the entire European continent's economy as it relates to the Russian Ukrainian war. Okay. So we are going to see periodic uptakes in strength like we're seeing right now due to the dead even heap of negative news and positive news come out before the inherited long-term weakness comes back in, which is related to the geopolitics surrounding the Russian-Ukrainian war. Okay. Now, with the US dollar, we're starting to see a weakening US dollar, and this is solely related to we have more negative news than positive news coming out about the US dollar, and then we're also starting to see a rise in gas prices. If you notice at the pumps, gas have went from 420 something, 320 something, and now we're at 440 something here in the Mid-Atlantic. So we're definitely starting to see an uptake in gas prices. And I think the last price I checked the price per barrel per oil, it looked at like it was definitely at 113, and as we're oh, excuse me, no, it's at 108 right now, but it previously was as high as 115 not too long ago. So we're definitely looking like we're heading back towards that upside, okay? Because just last week it was around 90 something dollar barrel oil, okay? So we're definitely heading back towards that high side with the oil, which means we're going to continue to see a weakening US dollar. To understand how the US dollar and oil is affiliated, I strongly suggest you watch the USD CAD video to get a good understanding of that, okay? So with that said, any of the US dollar charts in which the US dollar is on the right hand side, we're going to be seeing some buying. And any charts in which the US dollar is on the left hand side, we're going to be seeing some selling. So looks like we're doing a little bit of buying here, and let's see how far can price go up. We can definitely go up as high as here. We can go up as high as here or go up as high as here before we start to range back out and possibly go back into the short-term position. Now, the short-term position seems more likely due to the inherited weakness that comes with the Great British Pound. And the only reason why we're having an uptake in the chart right now is just due to temporary strength, due to the dead heat evenness of all the good and positive news coming out about the Great British Pound. So how high can we go? We're going to go as high as here, go as high as here, or go as high as here before we start to range back out and possibly head back to the short side. Or we could range back out and possibly head back up before we go to this long side, but that's more for long-term planning. If you want to know what you need to do right now, it can go as high as here, it go as high as here, it go as high as here. And please, with every trade, make sure you're practicing good risk management, okay? So, if you guys like our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos allows us to push our content further into YouTube so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders, okay? Last but not least, we ask that you guys please reach out to us. Let us know what type of market analysis videos you guys do want to see, okay? Reach out to us to let us know what videos you guys want to see so we can know how to best to accommodate you, okay? You can reach out to us by either leaving a comment on whatever video that you do watch, or what you can do is reach out to us through our email or our social medias. The links to our email and our social medias is in every description of every video. And with that being said, happy trading.